Bear Bear. You guys know her nickname is Sarah Bear, right?
Help Christina, hurry up, that's it.
Go ahead and look at your paddle. Look at your paddle just like that. Yeah. Who's going? Who's two?
Is that it?
All right.
I know, they're both, but you can't just go. You gotta wait.
Who's going? Who's two that's going in here?
Are you excited?
All right, go ahead and sit down, sir. You going in back? Got to put your thing.
Boy, put on the mama.
I'll put it in.
Go ahead, guys. Next go.
Feet and then into your seat.
Yeah, the boat.
That's what we're here for. You're going to do the same thing. Sit down, feet, and then put your butt into the seat, okay? You got you. You ain't going anywhere. Perfect. Come all the way back. All the way back. Here you go. Push you guys off.
Hey, Ayla. Emma, good girl. Look at you go.
Is that it for us? That's it?
Ayla.
I'm going to scoot right behind you. I'm sorry.
I guess.
No, come here, buddy. Come here. She's a professional. She's going on the boat.
You want to put more in? Yeah. Come on, two more. Two more.
Go, Lana. Go, Lana.
Three. You guys aren't wearing wristbands? Two teams. Yeah, sure. You with Girl Scouts?
Yes.
All right.
Hold me.
See me when you come back. See me when you come back.
All right. Lana.